Hi there. In this video, I'll show you how you can quickly open the library folder that is stored in your home folder. There are multiple ways to open it, but I'm going to show you the quickest way, along with the two typical ways to get to it in Finder. For reference, this was done using macOS 26 Tahoe, but it will also work on newer versions of macOS. Okay, so there are two typical ways to open the library folder using Finder. The first one is to go to the Go menu, then go to Folder, and then enter ~library with a capital L. Press enter, and that will take you to your library folder. You can also do that by pressing and holding Command, Shift, and then pressing G, and then enter the same thing, and then just press enter, and again, that takes you to your library folder. The second way is to open a new Finder window. Scroll down to your username on the left side. In this case, it's this little icon with a home and my name on it. And then what you do is press and hold Command Shift, and then press full stop or period, and that will show you your hidden files. You can then scroll down and you see your library folder there. I'm just going to rehide those files, close that window. The last and potentially quickest way to do it is to go to the Go menu again. Note that there's no library folder listed here at all. Now watch what happens just above where it says computer. I'm going to press and hold the Option key, and a new option appears for library. Click on it and release the Option key, and a new Finder window will appear to show what's in your library folder. And one last thing, if you have the hidden files unhidden, when you go to the Go menu, the library folder will be actually present. You can also then get to it by doing Command Shift and L. And that's it for this video. If you got value out of this video, please like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to know when I release another video. If you would like to see some more macOS tips and tutorials like this, I have a playlist with some more here on the left, and on the right there's a video that YouTube thinks you might like. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.